At our Danbury, Connecticut pipe fabrication shop, you can observe one of our welders performing a single pass, full penetration weld in accordance with a procedure we created and approved using the ASME Section IX guidelines and documentation. The turntable he is using allows the welding to be done without having to manually position the workpiece. This is a quick full penetration weldment taking about 1.5 minutes for a 2-inch Schedule 10 stainless steel pipe. As you can see, this is an efficient and very high quality method we employ to produce fabricated piping spools from our shop for your facility's needs and requirements. Here you can see the joint configuration used to produce the approved weld procedure. Things that are recorded in that procedure you see that are wire feed, amperage, voltage, cover gas, base metal characteristics, and filler wire characteristics. The weld procedure test results show the weld itself is stronger than the base metal and there are no discontinuities or defects. The lab that pulled apart the samples proved out the strength to be at over 90,000 psi. Job well done.